So, what's up guys? Today we're going to be looking at some cool Chevy trucks here. So, let's look through here. Right there is a beautiful machine. Those type of headlights there. My father's old truck. My father's old blue truck. Same year. Judging on the looks of it, it looks like supposed to be, no wait, a white body, like 90s Chevy pickup, single cab, short box. Personally here, I love those kinds of trucks. So, that, I would drive that any day over my mother's van. My mother's little minivan. That right there is my father's body style truck. Let's zoom in a little more. It's just, I don't like the fact that it's like right up against the flipping garage door. It's throwing old. See, personally, I also have a Chevy card of this truck. I never understand the design of that truck, personally. Well, let's just say it's a cool truck. This truck, I would drive that. Blue and black. Two of my favorite colors here. I always love when people take Chevy semi trucks and do that kind of stuff. I've actually seen one of these trucks. Really old Chevy trucks that have heavily been customized. Let's go lifted. Here. See, this is why I don't like GM. I don't understand the point of nowadays trucks. I would drive that, but I think those are too big of tires, so yeah. And also, don't forget, all my car's here. Sorry, it's a little bit of a mess. It's been a while since I cleaned my bedroom. Okay, I will say, I'm not a Ford guy, but still, that is kind of cool. I mean, I am Ford. Ford and Chevy have been running in my DNA. Dodge, just a little bit. And I'm sorry those of you who see this video and they're Dodge fans, but too bad, so sad. That's what I always say. See, I would use one of those for like drifting. Or make it like there's no view underneath, like axle here, axle here, axle here, axle here, axle here, axle here, like the entire bottom, just entire axles. So that would be kind of weird. If you look, if you pay close attention, if you look, you see how the door does that? Look at the rear door. Does the same thing. Thinking what this person did, they had a single cab and they had a short cab and they just extended it. During the fact that it's really like really rusty. Right there is probably the most accurate picture of my dad's truck you can get. And just wait a minute. Let me search up something quick. This is just a little bit of my family here. See that part of the tailgate there? Read that. A 1995 Chevy 4x4 C71 doing a burnout in Balsam Lake, Wisconsin. Burnout competition. That truck is my father's truck. that truck right there is my uncle's, and that's his old car. He decided to run over. Okay, this ain't related, but why in the name of Jesus? Right there's a better view of his truck. Scroll down here, it just pictures of random people. Who cares? Go to all. Let's go to his YouTube channel. Go to his videos. I could show you the video of him mudding. Oh, really? He's already stuck. I always love watching my uncle's videos. This is my father. That's my father on that bike. He claims that he was pushed when he was. Let's watch the video here. This is my dad's truck. See? My father's truck. And in case you're wondering what that window sticker says Eaton Mopar Shizer Ram or something like that. This is my uncle's Mustang. My car can do, my uncle's Mustang can do a lot. So this is my cousin. That's his first time riding a two-wheeled thing. And he's only 3. I was 5 when I started riding two-wheel things. Like a pedal bike. See that one bike there? I did ride that before. That ATV there I've driven. And actually not too long ago I did drive that bike to my hometown's car and bike show. Here, let's scroll down. This is my uncle's truck running over his old car. If you look, Ford Thunderbird. And he has troubles because his engine keeps on dying. And right now, his truck is just sitting with a bunch of weeds growing onto it. See, this is his truck too. And this is at my aunt's farm. My aunt's grandmother's farm. And that right there will close up the video for us. So, adios.